Welcome back to Stoic Echoes. Have you ever wanted someone to think of you the moment they wake up and before they drift off to sleep? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Stoic principles that make you truly unforgettable, not just missed, but deeply yearned for in your absence. Seneca once said, "Absence sharpens love, presence strengthens it." Let's explore how you can harness this wisdom to create a powerful impact on others. These 10 principles aren't just about sparking longing, they're about transforming yourself into someone whose absence leaves a lasting void. Before we jump in, here's a quick task. Comment below with the words, "On their mind tomorrow." It's a fun way to reflect the spirit of our discussion while connecting with others on this journey. Now let's delve into these powerful Stoic strategies to make your presence and absence irresistible. Principle 1. Self-sufficiency. How does self-sufficiency make someone miss you more? It's about demonstrating that you're whole and fulfilled on your own. Independence is attractive because it radiates confidence and curiosity. When you're self-sufficient, you're not clingy or overly dependent. Instead, you're engaged in your passions and personal growth. This creates a healthy dynamic where your partner sees you as a thriving individual, not just a companion. By fostering self-sufficiency, you build respect and admiration. They'll think of you not because you demand their attention, but because they're drawn to your autonomy and vibrancy. Principle 2. Emotional control. Mastering your emotions isn't about suppressing them. It's about responding thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. Marcus Aurelius famously said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. When you maintain calmness in heated situations or unexpected turns, you create an aura of stability and depth. This composure leaves a strong impression, as it's both admirable and intriguing. Your emotional control adds a layer of mystery, prompting your partner to reflect on your inner strength. This leaves them longing for your calm, deliberate affection when you're not around. Principle 3. Intentional communication. Every word you say matters. Intentional communication is about speaking with purpose, depth, and thoughtfulness, leaving your conversations meaningful and memorable. Seneca said, "Speak so that you can speak again." When your words are deliberate, they linger in the mind long after you're gone. This not only deepens the connection, but also creates anticipation for your next interaction. By making your words count, you elevate the quality of your relationship, ensuring your partner cherishes every conversation with you. Principle 4. Acceptance of absence. Paradoxically, embracing time apart can strengthen your bond. By valuing absence, you allow anticipation and appreciation to flourish. Epictetus advised, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life." Clinging to constant proximity can suffocate a relationship. Instead, use absence as a space for growth and reflection. When you're comfortable with solitude, you become more intriguing and admirable. Your partner will start to miss your presence as the highlight of their day, making reunions all the more rewarding. Principle 5. Mindfulness in interaction. Being fully present in your interactions transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Marcus Aurelius said, "Do every act of your life as if it were your last." When you engage deeply, listening intently and responding thoughtfully, you create lasting impressions. Your attentiveness makes every shared moment unforgettable, leaving a void when you're not around. Mindfulness isn't just about being present physically, it's about making every interaction count, ensuring your absence is felt profoundly. Principle 6. Consistency in communication. A steady pattern of meaningful communication builds reliability and emotional security. It's not about quantity, but quality. Seneca observed, "Regularity is a sign of wisdom." Consistency reassures your partner of your thoughtfulness and dependability. When you maintain meaningful exchanges, whether it's a simple check-in or a heartfelt message, you weave yourself into their daily routine. Your absence then creates a noticeable gap, making them yearn for your next interaction. Principle 7. Purposeful living. Having a life filled with purpose is magnetic. It shows that you're passionate, driven, and engaged in meaningful pursuits. Seneca said, "Our plans miscarry because they have no aim." When you live with purpose, you inspire admiration and curiosity. By sharing your goals and passions, you become a source of energy and inspiration. Your partner will miss the enthusiasm and depth you bring into their life, making your absence feel significant. Principle 8. Moderation in emotions. Balanced emotional expression enhances the quality of your interactions. Marcus Aurelius advised, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Practicing moderation ensures your reactions are thoughtful and measured. This creates a dynamic of respect and intrigue, making your presence more impactful. Your partner will miss your calm, composed demeanor, longing for the stability and peace you bring to their life. Principle 9. Resilience in adversity. Resilience is the ability to face challenges with strength and grace. Seneca said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." When you demonstrate resilience, you inspire confidence and admiration. Your partner sees you as dependable and strong, a source of stability in turbulent times. Your unwavering spirit leaves a lasting impression, making your absence feel like a gap in their emotional support system. Conclusion. These 9 Stoic principles aren't just about making someone miss you, they're about becoming someone worth missing. By embracing self-sufficiency, emotional control, and purposeful living, you transform into a person whose absence is deeply felt. Remember, it's not about playing games but building genuine, meaningful connections. By applying these principles, you'll not only enrich your relationships, but also elevate yourself. So, embrace these strategies and become truly unforgettable. Drop a comment with the words on their mind tomorrow if you're ready to implement these principles in your life.